buddy. That's a nice little brim.
Yeah, new PB for new PB.
Pushing 3 pounds. You know, chuck fishes, we chuck them back. Gotta let them go nicely. Like cornhole. Oh, he has it. Got him. You get that on video?
Yep.
Good. On now, back off. Let me get. Hey, chuck fishes. Let's go. Ow, he spiked me. Little stupid bluegill. Okay. Yep. Eat my finger. Let's go. I'm gonna toss him back now. 2 fish on the video. Yeah, you thought you were getting a free snack, didn't ya? You ready? You want to do a backflip, buddy? That was sick. Alright. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna get that down here. Oh, that was right there. They're not coming for it. Oops. One sitting right there. Yeah. He don't have it yet? Yep, he has it now.
Yes.
Dude, how do you do that?
Come. Ooh, whoa, dude, it's a bass. Let's go. No, hey, dude, this is.
Chuck him back.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so mean. Okay, where'd the rod go? Jacob.
Dude, can I watch?
No, I'm gonna toss him so I can go catch his buddy. Alright? And he disappears. Let's go. Alright, guys. So, y'all probably saw some clips that were on my phone. We were just down here goofing off, and I decided just to bring my fishing rod down here. And I did, and we caught 3 fish. But I didn't have my GoPro on me, and I really wasn't trying to, but I thought that would be a good idea for a video since I caught 3 fish in less than 5 minutes. So, down here at the creek. Yeah, there's fish. Oh my gosh. A literal largemouth bass just swam right there. You could see it because of the stripe that it has on its side. Dude, that was just crazy. I'm not going to freak out because I don't want to scare the fish off. But a largemouth bass don't see the fish no more, but the water is kind of dark. I don't see no more fish. Maybe I just give them a second and go back to the other spot. Like, if you think I'm like talking quiet, it's like early in the morning, and I don't want to make too much noise. Oh well, Jacob left his chair in the soccer goal for some reason. It's not my fault he left his chair. It smells very weird back here. Let's hope there's no snakes. I really did not see any fish. It's hard to cast this thing when there's no weight on it. See, normally once I come back here, it scares the fish back over to the original spot. So I don't normally stay long back there. Well, I did in my first video that I caught a fish because the fish was just right in front of my face. No skill needed. But yep, fish are back. And they're swimming back down that way. But I'm gonna come down here and try and catch him. And like yesterday, I found out that there are smallmouth bass in here. So, or I think there are. I'm not too sure if it was or not, but I'm pretty sure it was. The water's just so dark. Could not see any fish at all. I'm gonna catch fish. Bluegill has it in its mouth. Come on, swallow it. Got him. No! No! Oh my gosh. Pulled the trigger too early. Please come back. You could literally see the bluegill, and he had it in his mouth. Then I guess he didn't have the hook. But that's what I was doing good with yesterday, making sure they had the hook before I set the hook. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely awful at fishing. I'm so bad at fishing. Bluegill has it. Not fully. Got him. Just like that. Caught a bluegill. Let me make sure I was recording. Good, I am. Whew. Buddy, chill out. See, I just waited for him to fully swallow it. He just got a mouthful of crappie bait. Let's go. Oh, gosh. Hey, buddy, let me toss you back. Hey, chill out. Dude, chill out. Chill. I don't want to have to step on you. All right, buddy? I'm a nice guy, okay? I'm very nice. I'm not sticking my finger in his mouth again. He ate something very disgusting. Let's see that. Oh, I don't know how they're living in here, but I'll let you go nice and soft, okay? Bye, buddy. Ugh. Oh, there he goes. I got that out of the way. Okay. I don't know if this will be in the video, but there's none at it right now, but come here, bluegill. Oh, one chased it. Swimming up that way. They all swam up that way. So, because of that, we go right here. There's just tons of bluegill right here, and I scared them all off. They got stuck in a tree. There's one. All right. With what I just did, scares them back this way. Because over here, it's up that way. Yup, they're back. Oh, there's a leaf on it. There's a good sized bluegill right there. Oh, there's a different bluegill on it. Not the big one, but still fish. Oh, he's swimming away. Come on. Oh my gosh, there's a big jump right there. Oh, he has it in his mouth. Oh, he spit it out. He didn't have it fully in his mouth. He didn't have the hook. He had the tip of the yellow part. There's a big jump back there. I see one.
It's little.
This is good size for the creek, or this is average size. Come on, hey, make your spikes go down, buddy.
You can do it yourself, make them go down. Just go that way on it. Yeah.
This one, like, has some blue lines on them. It's kind of weird. I don't know what kind of bluegill this is, if there is different kinds, but look at them.
Good, yeah, successful fishing trip.
Yep.